Hey beauties! In this video, I'll be showing you 5 best easy and simple to make face masks using honey for more clearer, brighter and glowy skin. If you're interested, then keep on watching. The first face mask I'll be making is an exfoliating face mask, and the first thing you'll be needing is green tea. So you want to brew your tea for about a minute, add that into a cup, add hot water to it, stir it for a bit and leave it to sit for about just 1 minute, and then I took out the green tea. After that, I transferred the green tea into a bowl. And the next thing I did was to go ahead and tear up the tea bag to get out all the tea. I added honey to it. And I added a little bit of the tea water because my honey was too thick. My own honey is just too thick. After that, I added some honey and I added sweet almond oil, just 2 to 5 drops of sweet almond oil. Now the mask is ready. Now I'll be showing you beauties how to use these face masks. So this face mask, which is an exfoliating mask, is packed with so many antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It treats acne and also oily skin. It helps moisturize the skin. It fights premature aging. It reduces redness and irritation. So I applied this face mask evenly on my face and gently massage to remove dead skin cells and dirt from my pores. You want to do this gently, and after doing that, you leave that on for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. The second face mask I'll be showing you guys is a cinnamon face mask. So you'll be needing a cinnamon, about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon or half a teaspoon of cinnamon is fine. After that, just add 1 teaspoon of honey. Next is to mix the 2 ingredients together and your face mask is ready. So now I'm going to be showing you beauties how to apply this to your face. You want to make use of something to apply this, or you can just decide to make use of your hands, which is the best. Here are some amazing properties of cinnamon. It has antifungal, antioxidant and antibacterial properties that makes it the perfect solution for acne-free skin. It helps prevent signs of aging. It can also make your skin look plumpier and more even toned, and it also makes your skin glowy. So this face mask can be used 2 to 3 times in a week, and you're going to let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then go ahead and wash it out. So the next face mask I'll be showing you guys is a hydrating face mask. First, you need 1 egg, crack that into a bowl. Now, first thing is that I added 1 tablespoon of honey into the bowl, and after that I went ahead to scoop out the egg white like so. Added that to the honey. I added just enough. You can eyeball this, it doesn't need any certain measurement. Mix that well together and this face mask is ready for use. So this face mask helps treat acne prone skin. It also helps close pores and get rid of build up, and you want to apply that onto your face like so evenly. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, then wash it out. This can be used once or twice in a week. For the next face mask, you're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of yogurt and turmeric. So you're going to be adding your turmeric to the bowl, then add 1 teaspoon of honey to it and mix all the ingredients together. So this face mask is going to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark spots and also scars. It is going to help give you an even skin tone, and also it is going to gently exfoliate the skin to get rid of dead skins and encourage new cell growth. So you want to apply a thin layer of this to your face and then let it sit for about 20 minutes, then rinse it with warm water. This particular face mask can be used 2 to 3 times in a week. The last face mask that I'll be showing you guys is a clay face mask, and this is one of my favorites. So you'll be making use of this Indian healing clay mask. I think everybody knows this this clay mask, and I made use of 1 teaspoon of this. Next, I added 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Then I added apple cider vinegar. I used just 1 cup of, I think 1 cup or less. Then I stir all the ingredients together. Clay masks are awesome for controlling oily skin. Honey helps break up excess oil, and highly absorbent clay removes it while gently exfoliating. And they have both antibacterial properties to treat acne-prone skin. So for this, you want to gently apply it to your face like so. Make sure you use something that is not metal. You can use wooden or plastic, but not metal stuff to apply it onto your face. Then you want to leave that for about 15 minutes for it to sit, and then you want to remove this mask first with warm water, and after making use of warm water, then you go in and wash off with cold water. So you can make use of this clay masks once or twice in a week. So guys, these are my 5 simple and easy to make face masks using honey. Let me know, out of all these 5 face masks, which one is your favorite, and which one will you be giving a try next, and also which one you think actually works best the most. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you thumbs up this video. If you're joining us for the very first time, what are you waiting for now? Subscribe already, join the gang, and leave your comments as well on the comment section below. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you guys in my next video.